Yo, what is up, YouTube? We are here with the Duke. Today we are going to be taking off this big old box of a catalytic converter, taking off our servo here, but everything is actually coming in tomorrow, but I'm gonna get to work today, get everything set up. Let's get a cold start though with the old setup and see how it goes. Okay, this is with the Austin Racing with no baffle in it. Here we go. Not loud enough. Let's just be honest here, guys. It's not loud enough. It doesn't sound great. And yeah, we're gonna have to figure this one out. Austin Racing tip off right here. Let me know if this is real or fake, boys and girls, sorry. But I mean, I feel like it's real. It feels real. It looks real. It's got good packing in it. I think it's real. We're keyed on. This thing is freaking loud. Holy moly. That thing is loud. I love it. But it's time to make it even louder. So now we need to take off this cat, which should be pretty simple. I shouldn't have said that, knock on wood. There should just be a few bolts and a clamp, and I think we're good to go. We gotta take off this exhaust servo as well. This looks pretty straightforward though, so I'm gonna pull this off. I do think it'll throw a code though if I started up header dumped. Okay, well, you guys missed the grand reveal, but I got the bolts out. That was so bad, that was so hard, but we got it off. Right here, I don't even need to pull the cables off and everything because all I'm gonna do is pull off the cat now, which I think was just this clamp down here. I'm gonna pull off that clamp completely and then see what I got. So I think it's just two hangers. I don't think there's any more bolts. It's off. Holy moly, look at this boy. Holy shit, this thing's heavy. Okay, recap. We took off the exhaust. That is literally all that happened. Okay, so we pulled off the slip-on. We pulled off the cat, which is insanely huge. Cat slip-on is off. Catless downpipe comes in tomorrow. Servo eliminator plug, so I don't get a check engine light comes in tomorrow. Power Commander 6 comes in tomorrow, so we can free up all that power, baby. More power, baby. I will see you guys tomorrow. Welcome back, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the next day. And not only that. Oh yeah, baby. Dynojet Power Commander. Nice. Oh! Hey, yo, I got gummy. Oh my gosh, I'm actually so hyped. And then my eliminator kit. Beautiful. And then here's the cat. The decat. Oh my gosh, from Arrow. It is so game time. Let me get the bike out. And we're gonna start with this exhaust. We're gonna get this exhaust on. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, baby. Oh, some pretty welds. Okay, I'm here sitting on the floor with the mid pipe. I figured out which way it goes, which is obviously helpful, and I found out how this adapter fits in here, and it's just a simple bolt. It is simple bolt. Simple as that. So I'm gonna bolt it together, and got the flange to fit. I just loosely put it in there. That was kind of hard to see with this lens. And then I got it fitted up right now. So I'm gonna tighten this bolt down real quick. And then I'm gonna tighten down this one, which it shouldn't be too hard to get to. See if it passes the visual check. Looks good in there. I got this clamp all the way around. Now we're gonna throw on the slip-on. So for the slip-on, I'm gonna use the adapter that I had on the old exhaust. The old guy had on it. Brass fittings. There's the glove just disintegrated on me. Probably too tight, who knows? It actually looks like, I don't know, that looks pretty good to me. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. Trash it or keep it, you know? I think I'm gonna keep it for now unless you guys say, it looks better the other way. I'll throw up a picture of before and after if I have one. Just give it a quick wipe down. You can kind of actually see that I did have a fingerprint or two on this. All right. Do we do a cold start? No, we don't do a cold start. We don't do a cold start because we're gonna get a check engine light. What this ESE kit does is it has a little computer inside of this thing. Small but very resilient. I think this was $60. All I do is literally just plug it into this and that's it. And then I won't have a check engine light. And then it comes with zip ties for me to zip tie this away. And that is it. That is literally it. You just plug it in right there and now I got the eliminator kit. I think I might find out where other people zip tie this. Yeah, so I'm gonna zip tie this up real quick and then we're gonna move on to a cold start. Nice and easy. I got this zip tied right up in here. I have the plug zip tied right behind it. It's a little loose, but it's okay because I'm gonna cinch these wires down in here. Cold start time. Bike is primed up, ready to go. Let's see. I literally didn't even realize it because it was so loud. My mic fell off of me. So I have no idea what you just heard. Basically, this thing sounds incredible. It sounds like a Dyna at an idle. I mean, we're like 20 feet back right now and it sounds incredible. I'm gonna let it get some temperature in it right now and then we're gonna give it some good revs. Oh, it does not like that. It does not like the new cat. Oh no. I have no idea if you guys are as deaf as I am right now, but my ears are literally itching from how loud that was. It sounds crazy, and it died. We saw that. So power commander is definitely needed. I did not realize how late in the day it was. This is this is going to be a 3-day process. I'm sorry to blue ball you guys, but I will give you a sneak peek for tomorrow. Ooh la la. Look at that. It is so game time. But before I go inside, I'm gonna tighten up the chain because I cannot keep riding with this chain like this. Okay, so here we are on the left side of the bike for the first time. And we're gonna tighten the chain. How you check the chain tightness on a Duke is insanely intuitive. You come right here and you pull the chain up. And if you see mine, it's above the markings, right? It's supposed to be in between these markings. So what do? You tighten the chain. How do you do it? 17 mil on the back of the carrier right here. And then you get your spanner wrench that you ordered from Rottweiler, please sponsor. And then you're gonna grab into the grooves and tighten the chain. Tighten the drum. You're gonna move the axle backwards and it's gonna tighten the chain. That's easy. So just gonna break this loose. And now I'm just gonna grab and twist. So just gonna come and grab it right here. And there you go. Right in between the lines. Which it just feels so wrong to me because of how loose it is down here. But that's what the specs call for. And I'm not gonna argue with a multi-million-dollar company that engineered this thing to perfection. That's gonna be it for today. But we did get a start up. It sounds incredible. I cannot wait for tomorrow so we can put this DynoJet Power Commander 6 on it and make this thing freaking rip. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Just like that, we're back. We are back in business. Today, the final day. DynoJet time. I already made sure that the flash is installed. It is installed already on here. So all I gotta do is pull off the tank, pull off the airbox, and then tap into the wires as needed, start it up, make sure everything's good, make sure nothing's pinched, we're good to go. So I'm gonna get to work right now. Enjoy the time lapse. That took forever. Now I'm gonna install the power commander.
Breedbeats.io.
All right, team, so I got everything connected. We're just going to put the key on just to make sure that everything's powered up. If this doesn't start up, then we have an issue. We might have an issue. So I figured out why the bike wasn't starting. This has a magnet in it, and if you don't have this top piece on it, it doesn't read the key. So you have to have the tank and the wireless connection. So I'm gonna start it up now. Now that we know what it starts, it's good. Before we go run it through a heat cycle, I'm gonna throw everything back together. We got the dyno jet installed. Everything's buttoned up. All right, first cold start on the new setup, full new setup. All right, I'm gonna let it get some more temperature in it, and then we're gonna get some crazy revs in it. Give it 1 second. All right, we got some temperature in it. Let's run it up. Oh my God. Here's the deal. I have you on my helmet right now. I have tape on it. I have tape on the receiver. This is just a temporary setup until I get a purple Panda mic. I really hope this doesn't sound terrible though, and I'm not too loud. Oh, there you go. Really low in the RPMs. Oh, that boy was staring at the Duke. That boy loved the Duke. All right, we're still together. Let's do it. Holy moly. This thing is awesome. This thing cannot not put a smile on your face. This thing is so awesome. $0.02. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Alright, I did not get to end last night's video, but basically this thing rides incredible. It is the best purchase I've ever made. The tune is great. The exhaust runs great. It sounds amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.